Da 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 da. The metal rings were scraping hard against the pole. A jagged stutter every morning to try to sew. You pull the curtain flap again, the friction fights your hand. A screeching sound of rings dragging through the sand. The sunlight waits behind the plate to greet the floor, but every inch you gain is just another grading war. Now Ezyglide tape is laid along the pole, a silent smooth path to make the motion flow. No more scratching on the lip of every ring, just a weightless breath to hear the silence sing. Moving has to catch in and the scraping ring, floating through the morning like velvet wings. Take 5 minutes just to heal the broken way. One simple strip to clean the wreckage of the day. Peel the backing off to set the metal free from the scraping ghost of how it used to be. Smooth as polished marble under winter skin, letting all the golden warmth come pouring in. Now Ezyglide tape is laid along the pole, a solid smooth out to make the motion flow. No more scratching on the lip of every ring, just a weightless breath to heal